In this video, I'll show you how to use the arithmetic operators in Python. Let's start by creating the two variables. Here, A has a value of 12 and B has a value of 20. Now, let's apply the different arithmetic operators. Addition. This adds the two numbers 12 plus 20 equals 32. 1. Subtraction. This subtracts B from A. 12 minus 20 equals negative 8. Multiplication. This multiplies the two numbers 12 times 20 equals to 40. Division. This divides A by B. 12 divides 20 equals 0.6. Modulus. This gives the remainder of the division. Since 12 divided by 20 has no remainder, the result is 12. Exponentiation. This raises to the power of b, meaning 12 raised to 20. That's a very large number. So that's how we use arithmetic operators in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation. You can change the values of A and B to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials.